Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with Georgia and we are going to be doing...
And Hermione.
Oh, and Hermione. This is one of our new additions. So Luna had babies and we kept one, and this is Hermione. So say hi, Hermione. So she's going to join us while we unbox our...
very last Gryffindor box.
Yeah, very last Gryffindor box for GeekGear. Our Wizardry box, mainly because I want to go back to Ravenclaw. So it's my turn again for a little while. So we're going to unbox that. Do you want me to hold Hermione while you start unboxing? Cool.
I wish they didn't get rid of the pull tabs.
Oh, the pull tabs, yeah, missed the pull tabs. So this is your last shirt too. Alright, so holding up the shirt. So first things first, we've got our wearable. So in this case it is a
chocolate frog. The chocolate frog box.
Yeah, so it's our chocolate frog box, which is pretty cool. Alright, what's next?
Little
sherbet lemons.
Yeah.
Dumbledore's favourite treat.
Really?
Yep.
Oh yeah.
What's next? Hold up the box so people can see.
Tea
strainer. Yeah.
What's that?
Have a look.
Oh. It has Gryffindor beads on it.
Okay, so this is our tea strainer. So we've been getting teas in the last couple of months. So this one's got little Gryffindor beads and a little owl down the bottom. That is really
And
cute.
just to add it on, here's the tea of the month, and it's...
divination.
What's divination?
Looking at the stars and like predicting the future and stuff like that.
Oh. Ingredients: black tea, lavender, cornflower, petals, bergamot oil.
Very good. So this is our tea. So Georgia really likes tea, so she enjoys this. I don't drink tea, so she certainly enjoys this. So this is a new edition. It says packed with love and care by Leslie. And Leslie's dog looks very much like Casper.
Really?
A little bit like that. A little white buffet.
Ooh.
What's that say?
Potted creature.
A potted creature. So in our box here.
Little thing at the...
Oh, so at the back says warning. Wherever this plant is unearthed, it screams. The scream of this plant when it fully grown will kill any person who hears it. But a young plant's screams will usually only knock a person out for several hours. It is advised when handling this plant to wear adequate ear protection. I think Georgia wants to get into it. Georgia's got fake nails on at the moment and she's completely useless.
How cute.
So we've got a little baby mandrake in its pot, which is really cute.
And you could probably put soil in there or something.
The details on the face is awesome. That is so cute. Chocolate frog. And inside we've got...
It's actually chocolate.
Yeah, we've got some chocolate frogs. So, 4 little chocolate frogs.
Is this chocolate frog themed?
Might be. So we've got a print. It's signed by the artist of our chocolate frogs.
A
GeekGear scratch card. So we've got a little scratch card. Let's see what it brings. Oh my god, you and fake nails, Georgia.
Oh, can I say? It's a red heart.
It says, no win, better luck next time. And the last thing in our box, which I'm not even going to allow Georgia to get out with her nails because it'll take 5 hours. There you go.
It's a courage,
determination,
and bravery.
Yep, so our Gryffindor print, lucky Gryffindor print for Georgia's last Gryffindor themed box. So very good. Right. So what was your favourite thing in this month's box?
Well, I would say the chocolate, but I haven't tried the chocolate yet. So it would have to be this little tea thing.
Tea strainer? You like that?
Yeah.
Very good. I think I like
The little baby.
the little mandrake. That's very cool.
Hey, we could use this to put in the
Oh,
thing.
we could. And sit him up a little bit. That's a great idea. Alright, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright, so thank you for checking in with Georgia and I today and watching us. Oh, and Hermione. So we will be back next month with the new box. The mark is our hint for next month's box. So that'll be interesting to see what comes.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye. Alright, as always, remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. We'll see you later. Bye.